both have good appetites. What do you think? Hello. Say that to your family. Love to the family. And he's been eating both dry and wet. And you're going at your wet. And she's been eating dry too. Oh, you guys are good kitties. Settled right in. Hi. You look good. You look good. Hi. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. Yeah. Oh, purring. All right. They're gonna settle in for the night, relax. It's very peaceful here. Oh, I hear purring. I hear purring. I hear purring. Aww. Oh, they look great. All right, kitty Mel.